all the very best for the rest of FY27. Somil Mehta, Head Alternate Research, Mirae Asset, also joining us. Kunal Bothra, of course, still with us. Somil, great having you. A traffic problem, Somil, on a Wednesday morning. I beg your pardon. Rain in Mumbai.
Good morning. Good morning to everyone. I get up at 5 in the morning. I get out of my house at 6:30, so I'm all right. I'm all right at that stage. But yes, there were waterlogging there. But I think it should be fine if you're early in the morning. But yes, in the peak hours between 9 and 10, it'll be a little bit of difficult.
That's very interesting.
Rain is a good problem to have.
Trust me,
if you are a Mumbaiker over the last 3 months, this torrid heat, the humidity, I think rain is anyway acceptable.
The trade-off is acceptable to Kunal, okay?
Absolutely. I mean, it is too hot outside. It was too hot, and it was definitely a warm welcome to the rains.
By the way, we're told, and we spoke with the IMD on Monday, and we're told that this is still pre-monsoon. It's not really monsoon settling in. So still have to wait and watch as to what's likely going to play out. But it's pre-monsoon. Just kind of caveating this.
And I remember that interaction with the IMD,
Yes.
and they said that 3rd of June is where the pre-monsoons will start.
Yes.
And I think
it's bang on. So it's still pre-monsoon.
Pre-monsoon,
So it's still too early to say whether monsoons have settled or the heat is going to come back. Let's pray for the best, but at least that's the take.
Fingers crossed.
How's the weather on the market side looking, Somil?
Yeah, I'm still. It is in the range. See, it's in the range. 24,100, 24,200 is the resistance. The lower end is around 23,200, 23,100. So and we are making low tops, low bottom formations on the weekly charts. Every time we head down, we break the previous low, and whenever we are going up, we are not breaking the highs on the weekly charts. We are taking resistance at the short-term averages, which is 20 and 40, and falling back down. We are already trading below 200 daily exponential moving average. The momentum indicators are on the sell side. So I don't want to go against the trend. There are definitely pockets where you can see very good move like IT, pharma, but there are a lot of other sectors where I can see that there is a crack. PSU banks has started giving up. Autos have started giving up. So these sectors are looking a little bad. If you talk about the large cap stocks like Reliance, SBI, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, all the heavyweights, they've all broken the previous swing lows, and they are correcting. We can't run away from that. They are correcting, and they are breaking the previous swing lows. So these are heavyweights, and markets are going down. So I have a little bit of negative view at this point of time, and I'll be looking for a target of around 23,100, probably 22,700 on Nifty. So yes, short term, definitely negative on the markets.
22,700. That's another 700 points from here, Somil. It's going to be painful if that were to come out and play out. What's the take? Will it be Nifty Bank which will be the casualty? Will Nifty IT again pull back? What's the sector bias?
See, auto sector is looking bad to me. Auto sector in Maruti, M&M is looking a little negative. Bajaj Auto had a very good run and it started correcting a little bit. So there I'm a little negative. The other sector is probably on the railways, which are already going down. Power sector, I'm very bullish in the medium-term outlook, long-term outlook, but in the very short term, it has given up the gains and it has started correcting. In the middle pack, a little bit of correction I will be expecting. So overall, I think a small correction is still pending. I would also expect the PSU banking to, underperform. It should be correcting a little bit more from here. The previous swing lows have broken in Bank of India, Bank of Baroda. Even SBI is trading below 200 daily exponential moving average. So I think there are pockets where I'll be expecting more correction.
Okay, more pockets of correction. picks, Somil, on a day like this? Would you venture?
I'll be looking for a short-term trade on the short side. REC Limited is looking negative to me. REC Limited already on the downtrend, making low top, low bottom formation below averages. My stop loss would be around 332, and my target would be 305. My second stock would be SBI Life. SBI Life has also broken down from a triangular pattern, making low tops, low bottom, trading below the averages. My stop loss here would be 1855 and my target would be 1700.
Okay. All right. So that's those are the picks. Actually, life insurers, you know, and I want to try and focus in on that because I was looking at ICICI Pru's valuations, for example. It's trading at 1.3 times embedded value, which is probably at the lower end of the range that it trades at. And the last 5 years, stock has done absolutely nothing. What's the view here, Kunal? Would you venture a trade?
Not really, Harsh. I think the entire pack, not just this, look at HDFC Life. That stock has also been stuck at 600 mark, I think, since the last many quarters. Yes, there have been up moves for the stock price, but largely I think the move settles back again to that 600 levels for HDFC Life. You've seen SBI Life. That has been a better performer, but then I think in this phase of the price trend, you've seen SBI Life also falling from those 2000 levels to 1800 mark, relatively better than the other peers. But again, I think as a pack, overall pack, the insurance or the life insurance companies, they've not lived up to the expectations. And to have a CAGR of single digits in this kind of a market or in the earlier phases of the market is still a tad bit of a underperformance. So not too much keen into this space as of now.
Your take and opening trade, how would you play it?
It's a the stocks are looking a little bad from here, as I expected that probably it's heading towards 23,200, 23,100 at this point of time. Looking a little negative, absolutely. IT is a little shocker here. 3.5% down, more than 3.5% down. I would have been expecting that would correct a little bit, be a little sideways till the time the other sectors correct. However, it is actually bleeding at this point of time. The worry is the IVs. Weeks is the issue. Today it is up by 7%, and I would have expected this to be a little flatter, but it is going up. And I'll be expecting now it should keep going up till at least 18 levels. That is one thing which is a little shocker as well for me. However, real estate stocks are looking bad here. I'll be expecting Lodha to continue the downtrend. It has taken resistance at 20 daily moving average. My stop loss on the upside would be 915, probably 910. I'm sorry, 910, and my targets would be around 835.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much for that, Somil. We'll let you go on that note.